How to request a refund for ChatGPT subscription, step by step. Before we start, like this video and subscribe for more ChatGPT tips and fixes. If you want to request a refund for your ChatGPT subscription, here is the correct and official process. Step 1. Check where you subscribed. Refund steps depend on where you purchased ChatGPT Plus or Pro. Method 1. Subscribed web, chatgpt.com. If you paid directly on the ChatGPT website, open ChatGPT in your browser, log into your account, go to Settings, open Plan or My Subscription, select Manage Subscription. Now click Contact Support or Get Help. Explain clearly. You want a refund, mention the date of purchase, reason for refund. PIN. Refunds are not guaranteed but may be approved for accidental or recent charges. Method 2. Subscribed via Google Play Store, Android. Open Google Play Store, tap your profile icon, go to Payments and Subscriptions, open Subscriptions, select ChatGPT, then tap Request a Refund. Warning: refund requests usually must be made within 48 hours. Method 3. Subscribed via Apple App Store, iPhone. Open Settings, tap your Apple ID, go to Subscriptions, select ChatGPT. Then tap Report a Problem, then choose Request a Refund. Approval depends on Apple's refund policy. Important notes: refunds are reviewed case by case. Long-term or heavily used subscriptions may be denied. Cancel the subscription to avoid future charges. Final summary: web purchase, contact ChatGPT support. Android, Google Play refund. iPhone, Apple refund. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and comment "Refund requested" below.